Ever wanted to recreate Elsa's magical ice powers from Frozen? Well, now you can, in just a few simple steps. First of all, you'll need to fill a bucket with ice and drop in a bottle or two of purified water. Next, add a few generous shakes of salt to help make it super cool. Top up the bucket with some extra water and leave it for 30 minutes. Maybe while singing, "The cold never bothered me anyway." After 30 minutes, remove the bottle as carefully and gently as you can. Then, pour the water into a glass. Gently touch the top of the water with an ice cube and watch it freeze before your very eyes. Or, you could try pouring the water over a stack of ice cubes for an instant icy wonderland. Thanks for watching. We hope you have fun trying out your new Frozen magic powers at home.